I'm going to describe you about Excel sheets, how to separate data. Now opening this Excel sheet, here is the data, and first of all I have to mark name, then CTRL A, okay, then go insert and table. Then here is the formula, just click OK. Then what you need, first of all you need the group, you need just group, select all and then science, okay, and then you have to select only GPA 5 and then okay. Here is your data, and other data is in height, okay. So okay. Wait, then what you have to do, click select all and copy in the next sheet, paste. What I have to do is like this, and I have to write here
phone number koi,
everything is in here. Wait, okay, I'm showing you. Okay, here is data, here is name, and here is the other data. Okay, here it is. Thank you.